Hi and welcome back. Ready for another session? Right, today we are going to learn the most important part of English grammar, that is noun. If you understand noun properly, your English foundation becomes strong. So in this video, you will learn what is noun, types of noun, common mistakes with examples, and also practice questions that I have prepared for you. So watch till the end, and because this will clear all your doubts about nouns. So let's begin. So what is noun? A noun is a name of a person, a place, a thing, an idea. For example, let's look at a simple definition of these. So a noun can be a naming word, right? Or it is. For example, person, teacher, doctor, Rajesh, place, Bangalore, school, college, thing, pen, pencil, paper, bottle, idea, love, honesty, freedom. If anything can be named, it is a noun, right? So we are going to look at these nouns, all proper nouns, common nouns, in detail now. So what are the types of nouns we have? We have proper nouns, we have common nouns, we have collective nouns, we have abstract nouns, and then we have material noun. Let's understand each of them one by one, and we'll start with proper noun. Proper nouns are the easy ones, right? It always in relation to, it's specific to a person, place, or a thing, right? And remember this rule: whenever you write noun, proper noun, it is always going to be in capital letters. So let's look at example. Rahul, proper noun. India, Monday, Taj Mahal, Amazon. Example in a sentence: Rahul lives in India. Okay. Common noun. Common noun is a general name. Examples would be boy, city, river, teacher, country. The boy is playing, right? Here, boy is not specific. It could be anyone. So it is a common noun. Difference between common noun and proper noun is that proper noun is specific, such as Rahul. Common noun is not specific to a person, such as a boy. Collective noun. Collective noun, as the name suggests, is a name of a group. Examples: team, family, class, batch, flock, bunch. Example: the team is winning the match. In the team, you have a lot of people, right? It consists of many people. When they come together, they form a team. So that becomes your collective noun. Now, we are going to look at abstract noun. Abstract noun basically means something you cannot see or touch, like an idea, feeling, right? A quality. Examples would be love, anger, honesty, freedom, courage. You cannot touch love, you cannot see honesty, but they exist. They're there, right? Example of abstract noun in a sentence. Let's take honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Okay. Now let's look at a material noun. Many of you may not have heard of this, but material nouns are substance or materials. Example: gold, silver, water, milk, wood, iron, right? Cotton, Let's look at an example here. The ring is made up of gold. Gold here is a material noun. Ring could be a common noun, any sort of ring, right? But the gold, the material here is gold. Now let's also look at some of the other nouns. Countable and unaccountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. So countable nouns are something that you can count. For example, book. There is one book. There are two books. One apple, two apples. Chairs, 4 chairs, 5 chairs, 10 chairs. Uncountable noun, something that you cannot count. Example, water, sugar, hair, information, advice. We do not say informations because it does not have a plural tense, right? Plural form to it, because you cannot count information. Right? You can say a piece of information, but not informations. Advice. Advice cannot be advices, right? You can always say a piece of advice. Then you have singular and plural nouns. Singular is one, plural more than one. A singular example is book, plural is books, car, cars. But some are different. In English, you always have some exceptions. For example, child. You wouldn't say childs. It's children. Different form to it. Man becomes men, not mans. Foot becomes feet, not foots. Those are your irregular nouns. Right? Common mistakes that we make is sometimes we would say discuss about the problem. You don't discuss about the problem, you discuss the problem. About is redundant there. Return back. Return itself means going back. So you don't again say back. Just return. Free gift. Gift is always free. That's why it's called gift, right? Furniture is furniture, not furnitures. There's no plural form to it. So be very careful with uncountable nouns. Let's practice, okay? You can pause the video and tell me what type of noun these words I'm going to say are. Honesty, team, water, teacher. Comment below in the comment section and we'll see how many of you actually got it, right? So quick revision here. Noun is naming word. You have proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun, also countable nouns, uncountable nouns, singular nouns, plural nouns. You have regular nouns, irregular nouns. So now I hope you understand the nouns in detail. In the next video, we are going to learn about pronouns. And if this video helped you, please go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, share it to the friends and family. And you were watching Speak Fluent English with Rajesh. I will see you in the next video.